6 years old versus the 40s. Who will take it down today? Gabe Cruz, youngest versus oldest game of skate. I'm 12 years old. Hey you guys, we're here today for a very special video. We have some guests today. We have Chris McNugget first off, who will not be participating in this video, but he will be reffing it as hard as he can. We have Jeremy here, who is, how old are you?
I'm 42 years old.
He's 42 years old, barely older than Doug. Doug is a fossil. Not you though, not you. This is gonna sound really mean, but this is the youngest versus oldest game of mini ramp skate. So he's here today as our old category. Over here, we have Naoki. How's it going, dude?
Good.
And how old are you?
6.
6 years old. And I've seen you skate here before. You are a shredder. You're gonna tear these guys up, I know. So give me a high five. You're gonna tear it up. And we have, last but not least, Nick, who is, how old are you?
If Doug is a fossil, I don't know what I want to say. 46.
46 years old. And I've seen all these guys skate over the last few days, and these two especially for a while, and they can all get down on a skateboard. So, we're gonna have them play the youngest versus oldest game of skate. 6 years old versus the 40s. Who will take it down today? That's right. Let's have you guys Rochambeau. Oh yeah!
Oh, I'm last.
So real quick, how long have you been skateboarding?
I've been skateboarding since 1986.
1986. That is literally older than I am by a good 12 years.
And you guys are still better than me.
And how about you?
I got my first board in 84, but I don't know if kneeboarding counts, so let's say 85.
I don't even know what kneeboarding is.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay, so he's been skating since he's 4. He's now 6, so almost 2 years. I kid you not, this kid is better on a mini ramp than I am. You're good, dude. You could play me and beat me. All right, whatever you want. Hey Dan, you remember when I tried that trick when we were playing skate? That what happened to me. I'm glad I'm not playing this game.
Laughing at us while we're trying to
You didn't think he was gonna land that? Me neither.
This might not go very well. I don't even know where to begin.
He says he plays Nick a lot. He doesn't win every time, but he does win a lot. That's what he said. I have been bamboozled by a 6-year-old. Dude, I think you're gonna have to play it, Carlos, and even then I don't know if you'd win. I just saw my light flash through my eyes.
Alright, I've never tried this. I'm just gonna land it. Okay, you got it. How am I supposed to skate after that?
Alright, what's up next? Melon rock fake. Carlos, do that. I'm putting you on the spot right now. If you don't land it, you're fired. You have to do it on this.
I get 2 tries, right? I only need 1. I'm 46, I can't bend down and grab my board.
Alright, you got everyone a tee. You can take them both out right now. Do something crazy. He has one more try.
Let's all skate.
What do you think? Little 6-year-old. He's got some skill. I'm 100% better than I am. He's got some out of the box tricks.
Here we go. Just stop, Chris.
Fall like that, I would never skate again. Passive aggressively kicking me in the face. I know you, Carlos.
Keep that mouth running. See what happens.
done.
Thank you, and thank you for filming, Ozzy. Well, I think that's the end of the video.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. And we have a winner! Congratulations. You are amazing. So what you have to do, you have to promise me right now, is you have to keep skating, keep improving, and never give up, and become the best skateboarder in the world. Can you do that for me? Yes. A big thanks to our special guests for coming through and skating for us. But the winner of today's battle is the youngest skateboarder at 6 years old, AOP. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check those out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next video. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs, including Skateboarding Made Simple, which has a whole volume on mini ramp. So check that out.